This is how I make sushi using whole food salmon. This fish isn't sushi grade, but per the FDA guidelines, it can either be frozen or, as an exception, can be farmed like this one. Let's do the smell test. Out of all the grocery chains, this one smells the best. This 1.5 pound fillet was about $22. Some miware there. We're going to try a new method today. Let's go ahead and cut these in half. Beautiful cross section. This one came with the skin. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. The skin we can save for later. We'll probably fry it up. The brown fat that I'm trimming off is edible, but it can be fishy, so I like to remove it. The loin side has some miware, but it looks great. We're going to slice these a little thick today. We're going to be curing these gravlax style. This is a famous recipe by Chef John from foodwishes.com. Here's the belly side. Nice. For the brining liquid, it's 2.5 cups of cold water, 1/4 cup table salt, and 1/3 cup sugar. Give this a nice stir until clear. Place your sliced salmon in there and set your timer for 3 minutes. Alexa, play Despacito. Chef John says that you can leave it alone for 3 minutes, but I like to give them a stir and flip them time to time. Let's go ahead and pat these dry. The color and textures have greatly improved. For the final step, let's go ahead and plate these, and we're going to refrigerate them until they're cooled completely. This should be about 2 hours in the fridge, but it's recommended to do it overnight. Let's try this orphaned piece.
Let's have a taste.
Delicious. 5 hours in the fridge. Looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and plate it and give it a try.
Whole Foods, here we go. Nice firm texture. Because you don't rinse off the salt, I do notice this does have some saltiness. Gravlax for sure. That's my favorite. The texture of the salmon with the heat of the wasabi or the horseradish in this instance, umami, the savory note of the soy sauce, it's always fantastic. Chogochujang. Spicy, tangy, sweet goes well with the salty notes. Definitely goes into the recommended list. Whoa, the wasabi nose burn. If you love a smooth texture and you love gravlax, this is the way to do it. Chef John from foodwishes.com, all of his recipes are really good. I would recommend this. All right, thank you.